Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. So today's video is on an everyday makeup look. Yeah, and today's video is a little bit different just because I'll be using a totally different foundation from what I usually use. Before I even talk about the foundation that I want to use, because that's the start of the show, I attended the what's it called, Nancy's My meet and greet, and that's where I got my MAC foundation. I just had to film this video today because I know last week I didn't post anything because I was unwell and I wasn't in a good space. So I was like, I just have to film this week. Like this week I have to have 3 videos by the end of the week. I was unwell the whole of last week and half of last week but one. But yeah, I finally got to use a MAC foundation. Like I got a sample from the meet and greet. So I got mine. It's on this little, should I call it a tin or whatever? But yeah, it's in this small thing. Yeah, and my shade is NW50. And my shade is NW55. Yeah. So this MAC foundation, my lord, this foundation is everything, I swear by it. You know, when I was attending that event, in my head I was like, I'm just going for the event to meet Nancy Moy and then get my foundation shade and then go back home. But when I came across this foundation, when I got, like, okay, because we had makeup artists who are, you know, helping us get our foundation shades. So when I got mine, I was blown away. Honestly, this shade is perfect. I'm telling you, perfect for my skin, you know. And that's why it inspired me to do this tutorial, because I felt like it's like me in my own skin, but the only difference is that my skin looks very flawless and it's very lightweight. I felt like it's like, you know how you get out of the shower and then you just apply lotion on your skin and then it's very light and you feel very comfortable. This makes me feel like that. It's very lightweight, and you know, I've been thinking about this foundation since that event, since last Friday, and it's made me feel like, you know, let me stop yapping, let me you know, do my foundation, do my makeup as I'm talking to you. When I got this foundation, I kept thinking about it the whole weekend, and I was just like, you know, because I think the foundation goes for around 3,500 or 4,000, and in my head I was like, I wasn't even thinking that I'll get the foundation. But once I got it, like once the makeup artist applied it on my face, it changed my mind. It made me change my mind. I was just like, you know, like I'll just sacrifice and go get the foundation. I know it's quite costly compared to other foundations that I've used, but this one I can swear by it. Like MAC, So the video that's going up today, like the vlog, my first ever vlog, I had no intention of doing a vlog. Like I've never really had any intentions of doing a vlog, but I felt like having a vlog on my, like having vlogs on my channel will make it quite, like, it'll just make it, will make my channel more interesting, you know, because I honestly love watching vlogs. So I felt like, let me show or rather share my experience with you. Yeah. So once I've blended my concealer, I'm going to seal it in with my Sacha Butter Cup loose powder, so that my concealer does not crease as usual. I know I've said this in my past videos, so I don't think it's anything new if you're not new to my videos. So like I said, this is the star of the show, the MAC foundation. My shade is in NW55. Just see, like, this is perfect, I swear. I think I've been using wrong shades for my foundation. But it's fine, it's okay. So let's blend in. I swear it's so lightweight. I never look like this when I'm blending my foundations, honestly. I've been using our foundation shades. It's okay. And so about the vlog that's going up today, like, I'm sure by the time you're watching this video you'll already have seen the vlog. I wish to know though, like, are you guys interested in seeing vlogs? Like, are you interested in, because I feel like sometimes just recording and, or like sitting down and just recording every single day is kind of boring. It's like going to class every day and having lectures without any, like, it's recurring but it's not, it lacks an oomph, like it lacks something fun. Yeah, people. This foundation is life, I swear. So I think if you guys love vlogs, like if that vlog was interesting and you feel like you're interested in more vlogs, like you feel like me putting vlogs on my channel will make my content more interesting, then tell me below so that I put more effort. And then I think if I go get the foundation that I'm talking about, like if I go get this foundation from the MAC store at Village Market, probably next week I hope, then I'll vlog. Yeah, I'll put it in a vlog. It will be in the form of a vlog. So yeah, then I hope you guys like it, because I feel like, honestly, as much as I'm creating content, I also love watching content from other YouTubers, and I really love vlogs because I feel like it's like I'm just at home but I could be in Mombasa, and I'm at home and I could be in Kisumu, you know, and it's interesting. So if you loved the vlog that you guys will have seen today on Monday, before this video that I'm recording, tell me below and then I'll put more effort. So I'm now going to highlight, yes, and I'm using my foundation in Tofee, the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in Tofee. I'm not going to set my highlight with my loose powder, as usual, my Sacha Butter Cup powder. And if you're interested in knowing, or rather watching, my highlight and contour routine, then I have a video on that, and I think I'll link it up somewhere. I've set my whole face, I've set my highlight, my contour, and I still look the same. Like I still look like I have something on, but I don't have. Like I've put some effort. It's like I've put some kind of effort, but I haven't. You know, that's it. That's why it's an everyday makeup look. Yeah. So and normally, if I'm going out and I want to put on foundation, I don't normally use any kind of eyeshadows. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. So, but I still feel like my eyes are kind of bare. So I'll just use my eyeliner with no wing and my mascara, and then that's it. Yeah. So I'm going to use my Maybelline mascara, you know, just that my eyes don't look kind of flat and boring. So I look like I've put effort, like I've put some effort. Okay, honestly I have, but it's like I have, but I haven't. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. I honestly love this look. Like it's like I look chocolatey. Like I definitely look like myself, but I still look flawless because honestly, normally like if I go wash my face, I look like this. Like it's really my skin. Like it. Like my neck and my face really look alike. And let me just be honest, there are days when I did my makeup, like I did my tutorials or I did my makeup while going out, but I still felt like it had this yellow undertone, which I know naturally I don't have a yellow undertone. I feel like I have this reddish undertone, of which my foundations didn't have. And so when I came across this MAC foundation, I was blown away. Like I was in awe. I was like, God, like this is really me. Like this is honestly me, my skin tone. Yeah. So like I said, since I've been dreaming about it, like I've been thinking about it, like it's just my crush right now. I'm done with contemplating. Like I've decided, I've made up my mind. I am going to go to that MAC store again at what's it called, at Village Market, and I'm going to get my shade. Like I'm officially going to get my foundation so that I stop, you know, like right now I think I have like I don't know how many goals. Like it's I still have some more here, but it's really little, and I don't want to worry about my foundation. So I'm going to get another one from the store, and I'll put it in form of a vlog. So I hope you guys will love my vlog. My first vlog will be going up today on a Monday because I'm recording this video on a Monday evening. So yeah, pretty much it. And by the way, if you're interested in having more vlogs in my channel, if it's going to make my channel more interesting, then definitely mention it in my comment section below on this video, as well as my vlog video, so that, you know, I put more effort in, you know, as much as I'm having videos on how to. I feel like having something that will be entertaining, like vlogs, will also be good for my channel, and I think it will also be a way of you guys getting to know more about me. So up until the next video, bye bye.